Hey best friends, welcome or welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lavion and I would love it if you decided to stick around and join the Extremely Modest family. So in today's video, I wanted to give you some cozy fall bedroom inspiration along with a little bedroom cleaning. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. I'm starting off by cleaning my nightstand, dresser, and my floor mirror. For all of my glass furniture, I love using Sprayway glass cleaner. If you are one of my A1s since day one, you know that I have been faithfully using this stuff. To keep my bed looking like new, I do like to vacuum it thoroughly at least every other week.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around.
To create a really cozy fall feel, I went with these plaid flannel sheet sets. They are so comfortable and they kind of put me in that cozy sweater weather fall vibe. I want to only display the print side, so I'm going to place the flat sheet on the bed print side down, and I'm not going to layer it as usual with a quilt on the top sheet since the flannel sheets are pretty thick.
I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you.
I added my quilt at the foot of the bed and folded it under the duvet to create more layers and coziness. And of course, for some extra cozy layers and some texture, I'm going to add in this chunky knit throw blanket. I was getting like cozy cabin vibes, so I staged this tray. I placed a small plant on a book, a small candle, and I was just super extra, and I added in a cup with a hot chocolate packet. This would actually be perfect for the holidays, just as a warm welcome if you are expecting any house guests. Okay, best friends, I hope you enjoyed watching, but most importantly, I hope that you were able to find some motivation to do a quick clean and some cozy fall bedding inspo for your next bedroom decor. If you enjoyed watching, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't already, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And guys, leave me a comment down below letting me know how you like to stay cozy and warm in the colder fall seasons. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.